Hello friends, we have come up with the question number 12 of our thermodynamic series. Here we have to find mm, the Cp. Here we have to find the Cp. What is Cp? Okay, I actually forgot to write, but we have to find the Cp. In the option, the Cp is given. Okay, the value of the molar specific heat at constant pressure, Cp. Okay, Cp is also mentioned there. This is showing the specific heat at constant pressure. This is talking about Cp. Okay, so we know the freedom of from degree from non-linear. It is a triangular arrangement, so that's why it is non-linear. There is n 3 and k k will be 2, but for linear, okay, linear, it is asking for triangular arrangement. That's why we're taking non-linear. So non-linear n will be 3 and k will be 3. So I'm coming here, like for monoatomic, sorry mono sorry monoatomic n will be 1, k will be 0. For diatomic n is equal to, wait a second, for diatomic n is 2, k is 1. For triatomic, it is from triatomic like this. From linear, this is. For non-linear, from triangular arrangement, this is the value. Put all this value in this equation, you will find f equal to 6. Now Cp is equal to 1 plus f by 2r. Put f value here in the formula, you will get Cp equal to 4r, and this is our answer. If it will ask the at constant value, molar specific heat at constant volume, then what you will do? So you have to figure out with this formula, Cv equal to Cp minus r. Okay, Cp minus r. So you have to find from this formula, if this demanding from Cv, but this is asking for Cp. So this is our answer. Thank you.